Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually showing you a brand new money making strategy that can get you some short link clicks instantly, guys. This is something so simple and so easy and something so profitable that you can do right now. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end, because by the end of this video, I'm also going to show you the best way you can start to make some money on YouTube passively, guys. You don't have to put in your own face. You don't have to put in your own voiceover. You don't have to do anything. So keep watching this video to the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money this year coming up. So now let's get started with today's money making method. And also, guys, if you want to get entered to get some free Bitcoin from me, make sure to leave your Bitcoin address down below and make sure to give this video a thumbs up, because by the end of this next week coming up, I will be doing another weekend giveaway. This is the first short links I'm going to be talking about, and I'm going to show you how you can actually get traffic to this. So this is just in October, guys. So watch this right here. 567 views, only earned $1.60 pretty much. But I'm going to show you how easy it is to get traffic to your actual accounts, guys. So let's move on to the November. It's already November 1st, and I'm already got 2 views, and I'm already at 0.0055 earnings. So I have a total account balance of $3.27, which is not that bad, guys, because I'm still in profit. I have multiple short links websites or accounts that I'm using to get traffic to these guys. Now this is something that's really easy and simple, and really easy to get traffic to, guys. So let's show you that right now. First off, I want to show you my website right here, guys. It's called Coin Capture, where you can actually get money for doing simple and easy tasks. So look at this right here. This is my balance, which is fake because I put in my own money in there just to test out and see if stuff is working. So let's go to earn real quick. The first thing you see is short links, and I'm about to show you how I actually got this website created for me, guys. So keep watching the video. So look at this. We have Pix, we have UII, we have BTC Link, Shrink P, FCLC, which is this one where I'm making that money at for using this. If I go check out this one, people are going to be using that as well. So this is the website for PIX right here, guys. So look, you can see just in November, so it's today, my first day of November, I'm already up to almost 2 cents, or almost even a cent, guys. I only have 1 view on this right now. So let's go back over here to October. You can see I have 158 total views, points, and I earned around 40 cents. And if we go back to September, I have around 20 views and earned about 0.05 cents. So I'm still making some money from this, guys, and it is so simple and easy to do. And you can see I have other ones right here. I have all of these where I'm making money from, and I can start to earn a really decent amount of income from just these short links alone. And this is the strategy that I'm using as a faucet, guys. You come in here, you earn some free crypto, and then from the faucet, so you can either manually put in your crypto or your address for some free crypto, or you can come over here and do the auto claim, which in order to do the auto claim, you need to do some short links. And in order to do some short links, you have to click on these buttons right here that say go. So you're going to get around 6 energy for the auto claim, 5 energy, 4 energy, and you have 6 times you can do this: 4 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So they have to click on these in order to get some energy, and then the energy is going to give them some free crypto. So this is the reason, and this is the way I use these short links to get some free money and some passive and easy money with short links, guys. And the way I found out about this is coming over here to Fiverr. Go checking out this person right here. I'll create a faucet or micro earning site. So look, says lottery faucet, short links, pay to click. So I did this right here, guys, and this is how mine looks, as you can see right there, and it is working wonders. It is so simple and easy to get people onto a faucet if you actually market to the right people, and it is so simple and easy to get money from these short links if you know how to actually organize it and figure out how much you need in order for them to cash out and be in profit on the site itself. So look, you can get a basic plan for only $30. You can get a standard plan for around $55, which is going to have the auto faucet, pay to click, and lotteries. Or you can also come over here and do the functions right here. Look, so I would add any functions you want and extend standard faucets. So you can actually have anything you want on this faucet, guys, if you do pay $100 for the faucet. So this is something that you can do right now, something that is so simple and easy to get started, and you just have to buy this package and even buy the hosting, and you're done, guys. You have a faucet that you can actually play with. You have a faucet that you can actually make money with. You have a website that's going to give you some passive income once you just set everything up and put in some crypto of your own crypto to fund it. Now you have a passive income working website. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here is the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs. You can do it about crabs. You can do it about cars. Anything that you can think of, guys, my team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here, how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.